Hi. I was gonna say I would say knock, but my dogs are gonna bark, but they're gonna do it anyways. Welcome to my MTV Cribs tour. So clearly, as you guys can see, I didn't prepare very well. I didn't know you were coming, okay? This mess is because I'm literally moving out of here in 2 days, and you're gonna be so confused when I show you this tour because you're gonna be like, how are you moving in 2 days? It looks like you haven't even packed, and you would be correct. But we're working on it, okay? So excuse the entryway. First of all, we have a closet here that usually you can open, but right now you can't open it because I have a big fat Christmas tree sitting on the ground here that I haven't even opened or touched or set up because I realized just like a week ago that I had to move out. More on that topic later, but moving vlog soon. I know what you guys are also saying. Didn't you move literally like a couple months ago? And that would be correct. I moved in 10 months ago and I can't even finish this lease because a lot of other things. Basically the owner's selling it. So just got finished decorating the bathroom, so let me show you. This is the guest bathroom. Here I have my hoarded perfume collection that I can't stop. Like it keeps building to the point where I didn't have enough room here that I had to go over here. I don't know if you can tell, but I kind of have an issue. But down here we have, you know, the place where everybody does their business. But we have this bamboo trash can that nobody asked about, but I just wanted to show you. It kind of is like cohesive with the theme of like bamboo, you'll see. Got that off of Amazon. I'll be linking everything down below, by the way. But actually, this is something I'm very proud of. I have friends now, and whenever they come to visit, I always want to make sure they're well stocked. So up here we have all of my vitamins that I never take because I don't know about you, but whenever I buy vitamins, I'm always like, I feel so healthy, like hashtag wellness queen, and then I forget about the vitamins. So that is what this collection is here. But you know, we have everything for everyone, little razors if you need that, ibuprofen, some allergy contact solution, you know, whatever you need, girlfriend. Then we have here, like let's say you come over, you feel like you smell like shit. You have some deodorant you could take, some makeup wipes, makeup removers, cleansers, anything you need, babe. That was my bathroom. I spent way too long here. All right, across from the bathroom is the guest bedroom. Oh my God, I also wanna mention that my clothing line collection number 3, the holiday collection just dropped, so y'all can shop that down below. It is a custom cut and sew hoodie made in Los Angeles. Yeah, I didn't print on no Gildans, okay? Go shop, it's really cozy. Anyways, so in here we have a mess. I was gonna try to describe it, but I literally looked at this and I went blank. So I bought all my Christmas things because I thought I was gonna celebrate Christmas in the apartment, but plans changed, so it's just all sitting here. If I kick this out of the way and make some room, I can show you guys my beautiful organizing skills. I thought this was gonna be satisfying. I open it and it looks like shit, but to me it looks good. This was supposed to be a lot more satisfying, y'all. Genuinely, I don't remember it being like this. This is my organization for PR. I wanted to do like a giveaway every single day in December. I thought that would be cool to do like a makeup giveaway for y'all. Cause like, bitch, like I don't need all this, you know what I mean? Like grateful for it, but like tell me who needs fucking 500 lip liners? You know, so I want to be able to give it away to you guys. Anyways, here we have this bed, and I know this bedding is giving very motel chic with this quilt. I didn't have the time to wash the duvet, so I literally just threw a quilt inside out on top because the quilt wasn't even clean. There's no sheets on this bed. I'm exposing myself. Literally none of you asked, and I'm out here voluntarily embarrassing myself. We tried our best, okay? We have this plant that I promise you I water. I know there's some like dead bits on it right now, but it's my eyes, it's doing well as a leaf just crackles. Here we have my PC because I want to start, as it's literally not plugged in. If you guys want to know a fun fact about me is that I used to do streaming. I used to do Twitch streams. I used to post MCSG survival games videos all from a PC. So I used to want to be a gamer so bad when I was a kid, but last year I got one of these and I thought I was going to be a streamer and it never happened. But let me know if you guys want that to happen. I would love it. Then we have this podcast mic because one day I thought I was gonna be a podcaster. That didn't work out either. But let me know if y'all would want that. Then we have here a rack of clothes that none of the shit I own. If you guys see my Instagram pictures or anything like that, I'm always wearing like nice bags and like nice clothing and stuff like that. None of it is mine. Like I literally borrowed it all from this like one store. Shout out to them, but I wish I owned these clothes. But I feel like a little Barbie because I get to like pick out different things every day and I'm like, oh my God, this is so fun, like so bougie. But then I have to return it back later at the end of the week. Now we're in the hallway, guys. We're in the hallway. This is a map of Asia. And what do I have to say about it? Is that I got this in Los Angeles off of Facebook Marketplace and I really love this map. Then we have literally, who asked? I'm out here fucking describing it. In unit washing and drying. I know in New York City, who would have thought? Yeah, this is my baby. But anyways, welcome to the part you guys have all been waiting for. I'm so sad looking at this right now because I literally have to move out, but I just finally like made my place feel like home. This is actually my favorite place. Yeah, no shit. But this is my favorite place I've ever lived in my entire life. And this is the only place that I've ever felt like at home. Like one time I was traveling, and usually I love traveling, and like one time I was traveling. No, but one time I was away from home and I was like, wait, like why do I kind of feel homesick right now? Like I would rather be home, and I've never felt that feeling. Very grateful for this place. But okay, so the theme that I wanted to go for was very neutral, and it felt like I was in nature. And the reason is because I realized from my last apartment being so cluttered and me being messy all the time that maybe having less shit is better. You know what I mean? Like maybe we don't need to be buying like the hot new thing that we see on TikTok every 2 seconds. I need calm in the city of New York. All right, so this is the main living room. We have this plant here. I don't have any names for them. Let me know what I should name them. But we have this little seating thing from Jeff Bezos. And then we have this thing of dog toys down here. Then over here, we have this TV console, which I actually really love. I got it on, I don't want to sit on it because like what if I actually got this from Facebook Marketplace for I think like $200, $300. It was a steal. I love this. Why did I not change the channel? See guys, attention to detail, which I do not have. Oh, there we go. We have this TV, and this is the Samsung frame TV. And I've actually brought this with me from Canada to LA to New York. Oh my gosh, this is my favorite scent. This is the Craft & Kin Jasmine and Lily diffusers. And guys, if you are wondering what my house smells like, buy this. I'll link it down below. This is what my house smells like. It just smells so, smell this cold.
Smells good.
Yeah, it's just, I bet you he was lying. Smells good. Then we have this tree. I got this tree because I just love plants. But like I went through my pothos phase, and that's really cool. I kind of want to get back into it. But lately I've just been loving like weird looking shit. Cool tree. I know it looks like I killed it, and I probably did. But I think it's just going through the seasons right now, but I could have also killed it. We have this squiggly mirror that I actually get lots of compliments on. And I got this from the MoMA Museum, but I wish I put it in a different position. Switching up positions for you. I wish I put it in a different position because I feel like it needs to have its own moment, and right now it's not having its own moment. But we have this chair that I got from Wayfair. It's a pretty nice chair. I think that this is my favorite piece of furniture in this house, not gonna lie, just because I feel like this is like the seat that everyone sits on when they come here. Oh my God, these logs. Let's talk about these logs. I got these off of Facebook Marketplace, and I just really loved how raw it was. I looked at nightstands, and tell me why they're like $300 for a nightstand. Like who cares? Not a nightstand. What is this? A side table. A side table. That's just so much money to fucking put dumb shit on top of because you're supposed to have a side table. Like I did not grow up with a fucking side table. You put everything on the couch. But anyways, trying to be like proper, right? I found these on Facebook Marketplace. Great steal. So this couch, everyone literally hated on me for getting it in the beginning. Ah! I just hit my dog. I'm so sorry. Everyone was hating on me for getting this couch when I first got it, and everyone was like, "My, that was literally the ugliest piece of shit I've ever seen in my entire life. Like, what are you doing? Why are you buying patio furniture and not putting the arms on your patio furniture as furniture?" And I was like, guys, like, just trust the process. Like, you'll see the vision. And now that it's complete, everyone's like, wow. But I'm like, y'all switched up real quick. I got this from Wayfair, and yes, it is patio furniture, and yes, I did not screw on the handles. Definitely not the most comfy. Here we have this tree. This tree is my fucking baby. I love this tree with my whole entire heart. We also don't have a name for it. I have been growing it in this direction ever since I got it, and like eventually I wanted this to wrap around the pole, but since we have to move out, I was like, no. But the new place that I live in have a pole like this too. So hopefully the goal is one day have this wrapped all around a pole. Anyways, we have this table, and it's actually from Japan. I bought it off of Facebook Marketplace, and in the description it says brought from Japan, and I was like, oh my fucking God. Like, one, I love this. Two, it's like $100. Whenever I'm working, I'll sit like this and have my computer here, and like it's hard to have bad posture because this thing like shapes it. And like at first I just bought it for aesthetics, but this shit is so comfy. I understand my grandma now. Here we have my little music section, even though I don't really come here too often because I kind of gave up on this dream years ago. But we have my record player. I love going into like vinyl stores and just like picking out random vinyls. I want to get more though. I don't know if this looks good on camera or not, but this is a sticker. This isn't actually the design of this. I just made it this. We love a DIY queen. These bar stools, I didn't have bar stools for like 8 months living here because I was so goddamn picky, but I finally found these on Facebook Marketplace. These were perfect, and I found them used and for a good price because I just kind of get the ick from buying new furniture because I know that either my dogs and I will ruin it or I'll move and like pick a different aesthetic. So used furniture, definitely the way to go. Let's talk about this moment real quick. So this is also from Facebook Marketplace. Save money, live better. But this is kind of where I put my personality into it because I feel like the rest of my house is very muted. So we have like Polaroids and pictures that I take with my friends, my mummy, and then we have have the Harper's Bazaar cover, which is absolutely insane. Like, I don't know how that's real. And then the YouTube plaques and just like all these cool little things, like a tech deck, because I used to like play tech decks all the time as a kid. Studio Ghibli, like crystals, like little, I don't know. I just think this section is very me. This is something if you took a first glance at, you would be like, okay, I kind of like get maybe a little bit of who she is. All right, and here we have my kitchen. This is where so many thumbnails were taken. I feel like 98% of my YouTube videos were shot in this kitchen, and I'm going to miss this so much. Genuinely, this is literally my dream kitchen. It was the dream setup. Like, I would always set you guys up right here on this, and I really loved this kitchen, and I'm so grateful to have lived here and to experience this because, oh my God, like, this is like the nicest thing I have ever experienced in my life. I love this kitchen, that's all I gotta say. I feel like I'm Hannah Montana saying goodbye to her hometown or whatever, college. Yesterday's gone, we gotta keep moving on. I'm really gonna miss this. Like, my favorite thing about this place was just being able to write my to-do list. Like, I used this so much. Always, there was constantly something written on this, so I'm gonna miss it. But also, subscribe. No, but this is super, super sad. Not gonna lie, I'm probably gonna bawl my eyes out tonight. Anyways, let me bring you in here. Also bring the light too. I've never done like a proper tour because I feel like I haven't ever finished it because I feel like I just moved in yesterday. Like, it genuinely feels like I just moved here. I feel like I did not get to experience this place long enough or as long as I wanted to be because like genuinely, like, this is my dream apartment and it's like so sad that I'm leaving. All right, here we have my room. The amount of iconic Instagram pictures and TikToks that I took in this room, oh my gosh, y'all. Like, this, should I start a Pinterest account or something? So here we have this. I got this from Facebook Marketplace for like 150 bucks, 200 bucks or something, and this is huge. Facebook Marketplace really is the GOAT. We have all this stuff here, and then we have these two frames from Studio Ghibli movies. I went to like the LA LACMA, I think, the Museum of Art, and I watched the Totoro screening in person, and I picked these up and I finally put them in posters, but I never got to hang them, unfortunately. And then we have this corner. I just have my watch here on my bed. This is like my little running watch. Today I did not go on a run, I was too lazy, so that's why it's still sitting here, but usually I put this on in the morning. And I got this from Amazon, and then this was from the MoMA store. Then we have this bed. Oh my gosh, not gonna lie, I'm actually going to hide myself up here. Let me turn this light on. Look at that, wow. I literally just put a light bar under here. I was too lazy to actually wrap it around the bed. Every time somebody comes over, they're usually like sitting on my bed or something because like I get ready whenever people come over. I don't know, I'm always late to everything. That's basically what I'm saying. But everyone that sits on this is like, holy shit, you literally have the comfiest bed ever. And like, how does it look so fluffy? Like, everyone's always asking me like, what duvet do you use? What comfort do you use? Like, why does your bed look like a cloud? And it is because I have perfected this bitch like to the T. Like, I love my sleep, y'all. Like, that's actually something I'm very obsessive about is sleep. I have my Aura ring, I have my watch, I have like a weighted mask. I really care. I just need to give you guys the breakdown. We have this mattress, and this mattress is from, I don't even know, insert it on screen. It's like a copper mattress. I don't know, it was already comfy by itself. But then I got a mattress topper, right? Because I looked at hotels and I really analyzed them and I said, why are their beds always so comfy? They always have a mattress topper on top of their beds. So I did that, right? Then I got some Brooklinen sateen sheets, and then I have the duvet cover. But this is not no regular duvet, okay? This has two things in it. It has a duvet and a comforter. Look at this, 1, 2, and it is a bitch to stuff, okay? But I'm telling you, it is so worth it. Here we have their crate. It goes with the aesthetic, and here I blur this a lot out in my videos because to me, I think people already think I'm delusional enough, but this is my manifestation, dream, inspiration wall, and I know that this looks corny. It is corny, and I understand that. That's why I blur it, because I know how corny it is. I've done this for so long now. I did it back in LA. I used to have like a 2 million one on here, and like I think it's good for like every once in a while to like sit down and really envision what you want in life, what intention you want to set. You know what I mean? And then in this corner, we have this lamp, and I really love this lamp. When I found this, I was hyped. This is probably actually one of my favorite pieces in my house. Like, this is actually the thing. This is from Facebook Marketplace as well. I love it, it's beautiful. Then we have this amp because I used to play electric guitar, but I don't really play anymore. So we now just have an amp to play music. Oh, also let's talk about this bed frame real quick. A lot of people always ask where this platform bed frame is from. I also got it off Facebook Marketplace. Save money, live better. All right, we have my bathroom, guys. I think I'm gonna miss this the most. My most viral video was shot in here, and I feel like I've told so many stories in here and just talked to you guys in here. And I literally had a breakup in here, which you're probably like, what? Like, I literally bawled my eyes out and set my camera up right. This is definitely gonna be a bathroom that I miss. I always end my videos on the toilet. All right, so that was an end of an era. That moving series was so fun to film and this apartment was so fun to live in, but I think from now on, you're probably not gonna see any more videos in this apartment. So this is literally like a goodbye to it, which is so depressing because I really genuinely love this place, but I'm very grateful to have lived in this apartment and I'm thankful for you guys to come along with me on my journey to watch the whole thing happen. Get ready for more moving vlogs. I post every single day in December. Check out the new clothing, link down below, but I will see you guys in the new apartment. Bye.